It's Miss Crystal from Sunshine State Academy. Today we're going to do some science and mix colors. So what we'll need today is a bowl of water. Any temperature is fine. 3 clear plastic bowls or cups, whatever you have, any size. And I use these color bath drops that I got from Walmart. They're basically bath bombs, but you can use food coloring, you can use liquid watercolor, anything that's going to change the color of the water. I only used half of each tablet because one tablet can fill a whole tub and color the whole tub, so I figured half would be perfect for this experiment. And I just grabbed 2, but you don't need 2, other containers so that we can mix colors and see what they make. And this is just to trash the colored water. So, we have our 3 prime colors: blue, azul, yellow, amarillo, and red, rojo. Now, these 3 colors are our primary colors. These colors cannot be made by any other colors. But when you mix them, they can become other colors of the rainbow. So we're going to try out and see what colors make what color. So first we're going to try some blue and some yellow. Let's see what color that makes. Wow, guys, did you see what color that was? You're right. It's green. Isn't that cool? Blue and yellow make green. Awesome, huh? So let's just dump that and let's try something else. Now next, let's try yellow and red and see what color that makes. Let's see, let's put some yellow and let's put some red. Wow, guys, do you see that? Do you see what color that is? It's a little off, it looks a little peachy, but it's orange. That's orange. Yellow and red make orange. Awesome, huh? Let's dump that. What other combinations can we make? Let's see. What happens if we put blue and red together? Let's check it out. Let's put some blue. Let's put some red. Whoa. Guys, what color is that? What color did we make? Purple. Good job. We made purple. That's awesome, huh? So now, while you're at home, you guys should try other mixtures and see what you make. Make sure that you hit subscribe and make sure that you make videos of the things that you do so that everyone can see how cool it is when you mix colors together. Let's try one more and mix all of them together and see what we get. So we got some red, we got some blue, that made purple, and let's see when we add some yellow. It's just a really dark color. You see that? That's weird. And then if you add a little bit more red, what happens? It just gets darker and darker, almost black. Isn't that cool? So make sure you hit subscribe and make sure you show us all of your cool science activities. We miss you guys so much and we hope to see you soon. Bye.